Resource Unit Summation Columns. Expert Estimation gives you the ability to easily customize different elements displayed in your reports. For example, in direct cost estimates reports and overhead cost estimates reports, you can choose which resource units to summarize for each schedule item, which resource unit summaries to display as columns, and which user-defined columns you would like to display. These easy-to-use report options make your cost estimates clearer to read, quicker and simpler to analyze per line item. To use these options, in the top menu go to Reports. Then inside the Cost Schedule ribbon drop-down menu, select Direct Cost Estimates or Overhead Cost Estimates. In this example, let's open the Overhead Cost Estimates report. To change the display formatting options, navigate to the Change button at the bottom left of the screen. You will see a pop-out window with a selection of options. Select which resource units to summarize for each schedule item here. Select here which resource unit summaries to display as columns, and here select which user-defined columns you would like to display. It's that simple to customize additional elements in your reports. Then simply select Apply. The report will automatically refresh and resize to include your selected units and columns. Here is an example result. Each selected unit to summarize is shown here. The selected units' summaries are displayed in columns here. This helps you to quickly and clearly see the number of resource units consumed per item and per cost estimate line. The selected user-defined columns are displayed and summarized here. Try it out and you'll see how with Expert Estimation you can clearly customize reports by selecting specific additional elements that you wish to see. For more information, have a look at the knowledge base articles relating to resource unit summation columns linked below this video. Contact our 24/7 support team by phone or email if you have any questions, or if you would like help with the application.